Hey, what's up? In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about connecting Stripe with ActiveCampaign automations. This integration is perfect if you're running an online business and want to automate processes like sending a receipt or follow-up emails after a customer makes a purchase. So let's get into it. You want to log into your ActiveCampaign and go to the Automations tab. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new automation triggered by a purchase in Stripe. But to do this, you'll need to connect Stripe using a third-party tool like Zapier. In Zapier, set up a new Zap with Stripe as the trigger app. There we go. The trigger can be set to fire, for instance, when a new payment is completed. There we go. And here, make sure that you sign into your Stripe account. Just click on Sign In and follow the instructions. It's fairly easy. And next, we're going to choose ActiveCampaign as the action app. There we go, ActiveCampaign. And then we're going to pick what happens after a payment. This could be sending a confirmation email, tagging the contact as a customer, or even sending a thank you note. So let's select Add Remove Tag from Contact. And make sure to log into your ActiveCampaign account. And after that is done, you can go ahead and map Stripe data to ActiveCampaign. You can map these fields: contact ID, email, action, existing tags, to corresponding fields in ActiveCampaign. So you can set it up so when a payment is received in Stripe, Zapier adds the contact's email to ActiveCampaign and applies a customer tag or triggers an automation. And after that is done, you can go ahead and test to see if it is successful. So Zapier sure does all the heavy lifting for you, making it super easy to automate these tasks. You can go ahead and create a new automation triggered by a purchase in Stripe. And there you have it. Now, every time someone makes a purchase through Stripe, ActiveCampaign will automatically handle the follow-up. If you haven't tried ActiveCampaign yet, check out the free trial in the description and start automating your business like a pro. I'll see you in the next one.